Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So if you wanted to be a vendor for Amtrak, yes, I have so many people, and we've done a little bit with Amtrak in the Washington, D.C. area. But Amtrak is a great place to get started, and they really like working with small businesses. Amtrak is privately owned, and you're going to need the same things I always mention. You're going to need to make sure that you have some kind of presence online. They are going to want to ask to see your website. You're going to simply want your company information. You're going to download all of that into a portal, or just include all that information. There's going to be an actual portal where you can put all this information. But Amtrak, there are so many locations. You can do their stations. You can actually get a lot of contracts for cleaning the actual trains. When they stop at the various places, they need to be clean. And in this time frame, more than ever, you can make serious money, as I like to say, six figures and beyond. Pow! When it comes to cleaning Amtrak trains or stations. So if you want to learn more, then make sure you click the description below. It's going to actually give you all the information to take you to the portal. The one thing you're going to need, though, is that online presence. So if you need a lot of assistance when it comes to that website, then make sure you reach out to us at 407-986-8228. That's 407-986-8228. We've got ways that you can get around that when it comes to either us assisting you with your websites. We have them very inexpensive. We do websites for $297. That means a 5-page website, everything included to get you going, whether it's government or commercial or residential. We have that for you. And also we have courses that will take you into being able to build your own, absolutely at no cost. So complimentary courses on building websites, or if you want us to do them for you, we do them for $297. Just give us a call. Say the code is website, and we will be more than happy at 407-986-8228 to get you started, because a lot of these vendors need you to have a website presence. And you know, whether you're doing commercial, government, or residential, nowadays you absolutely need one. So for us doing it for you for $297, or we're going to show you how you can do it and build it on your own with our website courses that are free, you have no reason now not to go after a lot of these vendor positions. So if you want more, click the link in the description, all about what we do when it comes to sending everything your way for building that website or having us do it for you. And if you'd like to know more about all of the events we're having, from our free 6-track government to our free workshops on building a 6-figure business, doing commercial, what we call our fast track program. It's really emphasizing 12 months or less to get to 6 figures. Then sign up for our free class next Thursday, and it's Thursdays at noon. We'll get you in and out and give you so much information, but space is limited. So we'd love to see you at some of our free events or workshops. Love to have you there. So until next time, be safe, take care. Until our next video, bye-bye.